So problem 3, it says that show that the function f from R to R defined by fx equal to x by x square plus 1 is neither 1 1 nor on 2. So in this problem we have to show it is neither 1 1 nor on 2. So both the conditions are not satisfying. So for that we will proceed similarly, and that will help us to find whether at which point the function is having the problem. So let us start usually. So let x1 x2 belongs to R such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. That means x1 by x1 square plus 1 is equal to x2 by x2 square plus 1. So now simplify and show that x1 is equal to x2. So this is the calculation. So see clearly, this will imply that either x1 equal to x2 or x1 equal to 1 by x2. So for both these conditions we can have x1 f of x1 equal to f of x2. So if this was only the case, it was okay, but here one more case is there. So for that, if we take x1 equal to any real number, say 2, then we can have another real number which is different from x2, different from 2, that is half, but we will have f of 2 is equal to f of half, as we have considered. So that will imply that AF is not 1 1. Is it clear? Similarly, for the onto part, we will take let y belongs to R, that is the codomain. So when the function is from R to R, you should mention which one is the domain, which one is the codomain. So while writing the domain, you should write in the bracket that it is the domain, and while you are writing the codomain, so mention it in the bracket. So y belongs to R, that codomain, such that y equals to fx. So that implies y equal to x by x square plus 1. So you find the range. So what is the range of this function? Find the range. So you have to find the value of x. So try to solve it. So this is the value for x, and since x is in the domain, so we can say y should not be equals to 0. Also 1 minus 4y square is under root, so we have to take 1 minus 4y square to be positive. That means 4y square will be less or equals to 1. That will imply y square will be less or equals to 1 by 4. So that will imply y should be less or equals to half, and y should be greater or equal to minus half. So the range of the function is, it is all the real numbers between minus half and half excluding 0. So we can write it like this: minus half to half, difference 0. So clearly the range is this set, and the codomain was R. The codomain was R, so they are not equal, and hence the function is not onto. So that is how, using the definitions also, you can find the points for which the function is not being 1 1 or it is not being onto. So it is easier, it will be useful to find the range of the function first, to show that it is not onto or it is onto. If the range is equal to the codomain, then we can say the function is onto. If they are not equal, then we can say the function is not onto.